Now you can tell something big is about to arrive. Look how dark it is. Through there you've got a big cumulus just there. This could be a shelf cloud or the front of a big thunderstorm that is about to arrive. Now a matter of time before the storm arrives. Take a look at that. It's very close. And a big thunderstorm about to hit. We're about to get hit by something. And it seems heavy. So this is just the front of the storm that is about to hit. And a big thunderstorm is just there and it's about to hit. Oh my goodness, we're about to be in for a big storm. Oh my goodness me, the rain getting very heavy. And through there looks very heavy. That could be the heart of the storm as this is moving across very dark skies. Definitely potentially some thunder and lightning. As you can see over there, it looks even darker. And that is obviously heading towards our direction. So this could be insane very, very soon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This looks like a big shelf cloud that is about to come over. Oh my goodness me. Take a look at this. We just had some heavy rain. But that was only the beginning. This looks like the biggest part of the thunderstorm yet. And we're about to get hit by it. Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. Oh! Oh! Take a look at this. This is pure chaos. You didn't want to be out in this. This intense thunderstorm. Oh my God! We are definitely in a severe thunderstorm. This is one of the most crazy storms I've ever seen. The amount of rain is amazing. Oh my God! I can't even see ahead. Oh my God! This is unbelievable. Look at this, guys. Oh! Oh! I just got, like, someone just drove, like, right into me. This is insane.